In this video, I will demonstrate why emails are stuck in the queue. The message flow works as the following. When an email comes into Xeams, it will deliver the messages to the next server. Messages will be put in the queue if they are undeliverable on the first attempt. Xeams will continuously try to send the message again until the queue time expires. This queue time is configurable in the admin console. Let's look at some examples. I go over here and click this to view the queue. I see two messages in the queue. I click on the resend icon on the right side to send the messages again. If Xeams cannot send the message again, an error is displayed at the top. There are two types of errors for failing to resend queued messages. One where Xeams is able to connect to the receiving server, and the other where it is not able to connect. In this case, Xeams was able to connect to the receiving server. However, the receiving server rejected the message because the user is not found on their end. Let's take a look at the second scenario. I click the resend button for the other email. This time, I see a different error. Since this message does not tell me much, I check the logs. To check the actual email delivery error, I'll check the outbound audit trail failure log file. This log file displays errors when Xeams is unable to send it to the next server. This error says the receiving server refused the connection. To investigate further, I'll check the SMTP outbound conversation log file. Before I search, I copy the number in the brackets here. This is called the LCID. I search for the LCID number in the log file. This will bring up the entire SMTP conversation between Xeams and the next hop. According to this log file, Comcast, who is the receiving server, refused the connection because I am missing a PTR record on my DNS server. In this case, there's nothing you can do in Xeams. You need to get in contact with your ISP to get a PTR record in order to send outbound emails. Please see our KB article for more details.